write a book about us.
You think of German Shepherds as cool and tough? Think again.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
This German Shepherd demonstrates the circle of life in the most immediate way possible. Get him!
Which bumbo
Clock dog I am. Cause this man will wake up good enough. Give me a good blood clot dog.
What kind of little bumbo clock dog? This is my give.
Not allowed to bite the leaves, but he insisted on showing his stubbornness.
Stop!
German may knock over the cups, but never betray his human. System error. Socialization module corrupted. Dishwasher mode enabled.
Get out of here!
Then ready? Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay.
German Shepherd logic. If I pull harder, physics itself will admit defeat and let me win.
Roll up.
That moment your dog has more fun with a chair than with all the expensive toys you bought it.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna walk away.
No. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Dawson, stop.
Telly.
It's okay. Get your noodles.
And Dad's trying to help.
What are we doing?
Ярика за уши держит. Как за руль.
When sleep hits a German Shepherd, not even the owner can win.
使劲转，看你转到什么时候。好，上车。我看谁敢不服管教。
He brought all his best diplomacy skills and got nothing but the ultimate silent treatment.
Not around here, partner. Not around here. Not around here.
Ignore your dog and see his reaction.
German Shepherd, powered by stubborn teeth and pride.
Hi, can you please pet me? I just want to be petted. Just a little pet, please. That's why I'm called a pet. Because you're supposed to pet me all the time. You know you want this. Okay, I'm ready for pettings.
Every falling raindrop to him is a boss battle, and he refuses to lose.
Ma, psst, Ma, down here. You ever get the feeling somebody's watching you? Cause I feel like right now there's definitely an evil presence behind me.
Every squad has that one friend who thinks he's built different.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Every slow paw step hides plans to ensure the prey cannot escape.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Наконец-то! Мой черед!
His counterattack strategy be like 10% strength, 90% worried about hurting Papa.
What?
This squirrel's mission is to unlock German's fear level panic mode times 100.
Don't. Arlo! Arlo! No! You kidding me?
Their attack plan and calculation are nearly flawless, until Doggo's patience is offline.
When you're too crazy and no one knows how to play with you. Let me just throw my ass on you and maybe you'll get the hint I'm trying to play. Nope, I guess that didn't work. Let me chase after you.
Doggy just unlocked a new achievement. That's bravely surviving many human-made snowstorms. Thanks for loving them no matter which version they are.